Alright, you guys, what's good? Hello, hi, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Happy fucking 4th of July. It's going down today, you guys. Well, we're gonna go to my friend Manny's house. We call him Felon. I'm pretty sure you guys, this is a new channel, so I'm pretty sure you guys obviously don't know who I'm talking about, but you're gonna know who I'm talking about in about an hour or two. So, with that being said, let me turn my fan down. It's that motherfucker loud. But yes, you guys, it's fucking 4th of July. I told you guys I was going to do a 4th of July vlog, so I'm starting the vlog right now. It's like 2 in the afternoon. I've been awake. I just wasn't trying to like record yet, and I wasn't really doing anything. I was just, resting. But I'm about to get ready, you guys. We're gonna go to Gardena. We're gonna go right now to Felon's house, and we're gonna pop some fucking fireworks, you guys. Dude, it's gonna be so lit. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, we're gonna be the definition of fucking lit today. Like, we're gonna be lit like a candle, my nigga. Like a fucking candle. But yeah, I'm gonna update you guys in a bit. Alright, you guys, so update. I'm ready now, as you can see. I didn't really like throw nothing special on. I just put on some fucking regular basketball shorts and this little button up, put a little tank top on. Cause it's hot out here, you feel me? It's summertime, it's hot as fuck. So yeah, you guys, I just called the Felon right now, about to go be on my way over there. It's gonna be so lit, you guys. Like, I'm so fucking excited. You guys are not ready for the fucking fireworks about to pop tonight. I swear to God, you're not. At the moment, I think I kind of wanna, like, I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't know what I wanna, like. I forgot what I wanted to say, but I just wanted to update you guys and let you know that I got dressed. And I'm fucking excited. And it's 4th of fucking July. It's any other fucking day. It's like regular any other fucking day, but like, it's 4th of July. You get to pop fireworks and go fucking have fun with your friends and blow shit up legally. Nah, but yeah, you guys, it's gonna be lit tonight. I hope all you guys are having a great 4th of July. Yeah. Alright, so what's up, you guys? I'm here now. I'm over here with the homies, right here with Felon over here, all the homies and all the family and everything right now. But we kicking it right now, you guys. We're gonna kick it till like later. It gets dark and we're gonna start popping shit. But I'm gonna update you guys later. But yeah, I'm here. Alright, what's up, you guys? Right here, big chillin'. Currently smoking a blunt. Happy 4th of July, y'all. Like I said, we about to fucking pop a lot of fucking shit tonight, so you guys better fucking stay tuned and stay ready. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, and subscribe if you fucking haven't yet. If you don't have a YouTube channel, fucking make one. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, all that good shit. Stay faded, my niggas. No, I'm just playing. If you're already watching this, you guys smoke though. Hopefully you're 18 plus. If you're not 18 and you smoke, that's cool too. But you ain't get it from me. Hell yeah, y'all. Check this out.
This little baby firework. Did you record the other one?
Nah, I didn't. That's why I'm recording this one.
The other one?
Nah,
you're recording the wrong one.
That's why I'm recording this one. Hey, fuck you guys, man. I got the. Okay, look, you guys. They just fucking set one off, and that shit was fucking sick. It was loud as fuck and everything. But I didn't record it because I wasn't too much in like of awe, like looking at that shit. So I'm gonna get this one this time. All right.
You still got one more left.
Yeah, we still got fucking one more left. So they're gonna pop that shit later on tonight.
Yo, why get in trouble like this? We like vlogging me giving this for the shit.
Nigga, this is my vlog on my channel. Who the fuck is what the fuck?
You're probably gonna get comments like, that little kid is not supposed to be lighting fireworks.
He's gonna be like, he's a savage.
He runs the film camera. Oh, like that one kid who runs in the garage.
He's gonna stop right in front of the cameras and be like, Alessi.
Did you like it?
Hell yeah, you hear that shit? Ah. Ah.
Oscar.
Yeah, they're loud shit.
Oh, wow.
Oh shit.
Check this shit out, you guys.
Look at that shit.
Go put the one that says, I want with Obama on it.
I'm honestly like so curious about this one right here. The I'm here. 38 shots. That shit's 38 shots. I'm really curious about that one. But
Fucking Obama.
yup.
Come on. Just the one in the middle?
They even got the rules.
That's Obama right there, like, man, I got kicked out of the White House. Come on. I thought it was spooky.
Show that one up in here.
That's the Obama.
I totally forgot all about this, dude. Check this out.
Obama, nigga, nigga, side.
I told you guys it's gonna be lit. Thumbs up for all the fireworks.
Oh my god. That's what you want to see, man? Oh shit, never mind.
That one didn't pop.
Maybe don't.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Oh hell no.
Oh hell no.
Oh hell no. Did you hear everybody say oh hell no at the same time and shit?
That shit goes off. And the comment she comes with the flashlight.
It's barely fucking getting dark, and it's not. It's like almost 8 o'clock. When it gets dark, we're gonna pop more shit.
Oh shit. That police car's gonna be going off all night, bro.
Y'all fucking heard that shit?
Yeah, Savage Life.
I knew he was gonna say that.
You almost burnt me,
Oh shit.
Alright, you guys. So we had to stop right now because the cops came. But you already know it's fuck 12. We don't fuck with the police over here. I'm about to currently get my skateboard and go get like some shit from Taco Bell.
I'm over here. I'm over here.
God damn.
They're gonna hit the feet.
Alright, you guys, so check this out. My homie has a 16,000 firecracker, and he's rolling it out right now. And honestly, that shit is long as fuck. Look at this shit. This shit's like a mile long. And he's still not even done. Look at this, look. Bundle right here.
Still not done. Look at him.
Hey, you want me to pull this shit out? Hey, pull it.
Nah, leave it like that. Look at this shit. Nah, just leave it, little piles, bro. Yeah, you got, dude. This, you guys, you're not fucking ready for this. Well, I'm not even fucking ready for this. Are you ready for this shit?
Yep.
Are you ready for this shit?
Hey, get into it.
Better be ready. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fucking sick. Look at that, you guys. Look how long it is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look how long that is.
Put it right here. Put it right here.
I'll leave it like that. Leave it like that.
Right here. Like that.
This shit long as fuck, you guys. This is like an anaconda right here. We about to set this bitch on fire and let it run. Alright, did you set it from over there? Oh, he set it. Alright. Fuck! Holy shit. You guys, that was the fucking 16,000 fucking firecrackers, guys. 16,000. That was the end of it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna have to cut my vlog kind of short because my phone is dying. Alright, again, you guys, I'm gonna have to cut my vlog short because my phone is dying. I don't have my charger. So thanks for all you guys watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet.
That shit was nice.
But give the video a thumbs up and yeah, happy 4th of July.